Assalamualaikum students, I hope you all are well. I welcome you all to English literature class. As you know that in our previous class we did the reading of Faiza's Biscuit. So today we are going to do the exercise. Before we move forward, let's quickly have a look at the objectives. For today's class we are having three main objectives. The first one is to reinforce prior knowledge. The second one is to write answers independently. And the third one is to improve comprehension skills. And I hope that in today's class we are able to attain all these objectives. Now let's revise. So, as we learned in our previous class that Faiza was a poor girl and she saw a restaurant one day, and over there she saw a little girl who came with her family. The little girl saw Faiza and she was there to celebrate her birthday. On her way back, she saw Faiza standing and she gave her a box and a party bag. There was cake in the bag and Faiza ate the cake. She placed the box on her head in her basket and she sold the biscuits outside the school next day. 10 years later, Faiza opened her own shop. This was very easy and I hope you all remember it. Now let's start exercise A. In the exercise A, we are having 5 questions and they are very easy. We are going to look at each question one by one and discuss the answers. The first question is, what did Faiza see one day? There are a number of answers to this question and it's all up to you however you want to write. Just remember that you have to change the verb into past tense. In this question we can see the verb see. So we are going to change see into saw. One answer to this question can be that Faiza saw a restaurant one day. Or you can even write that Faiza saw a restaurant and a little girl with her family. It's all up to you, whatever you want to write. But make sure that you write the full answer. Now let's look at question number 2. Question number 2 is, who went into the restaurant? Why? This question is having 2 parts. The first one is who went into the restaurant and the second part is why. You can answer this question in 1 sentence or even in 2. You can write the answer that the little girl went into the restaurant to celebrate her birthday, or you can write that the little girl went into the restaurant, full stop. She went inside to celebrate her birthday. It's all up to you however you want to write it. Now let's look at the third question. What did people eat at the party? On page number 3, we can see on the very top that the family is eating some biscuits and ice cream and they're also enjoying some drinks. So the answer to this question can be that the people are eating some ice cream and biscuits. You can also add cake if you want to, because we can see the little girl cutting the cake. Okay, now question number 4. Who gave Faiza some cake and biscuits? So this is very easy question and I know that you all can do it. So you are going to look for the answer yourself and write the complete answer. I don't want one word answers. So please make sure that you write the full one. Now let's look at the last question. That is, what did Faiza do the next morning? Yes. So you all remember that the next morning Faiza sold those biscuits outside a school. So the answer to the last question can be that Faiza sold the biscuits next morning. And you can also add the place where she sold them. Did she sell those biscuits in the market or outside school? So you can add that also in your answer, whatever is the correct place. And we are done. We have done the questions. Now your task is very simple. You have to write the answers in a very neat manner. And at the end, you are going to draw your favorite biscuit. After drawing, you have to color it very nicely. And I know you all are very good in drawing and coloring. So I hope you all enjoyed today's class. I will catch you soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu